Okay, so for the emails, I want to change it up a bit. Organized here. Everything's so nice. Anyways, can you see my screen? Honestly, Flowsy you can use for anything. And everything would still be organized, even if you use it for other stuff. Like, it's easy to use. So, and then on the video, there's links. I don't know if you can see it, there's a link that gives you a 30-day free trial.
I do not know why I am so tired today. I've slept like 11 hours and still feel tired. Check out how much San Pellegrino I have right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 bottles of San Pellegrino stacked and stocked. That is just my my visible win. If you guys are in DL and you've watched your first $1,000 designing your SBA, etc., at the end, Iman talks about this. So this is just a sparkling cuvee, as you can see, alcohol removed because I am underage and cannot drink alcohol. Anyways, for today's video, I really didn't have too much in mind. I don't really have too much to show. I did a little side quest here and there. I was searching for some WD-40 today just because my door is creaking sometimes. But apparently I didn't need to actually apply. I just used a wet cloth on it and that worked. So now it doesn't squeak anymore. But really, other than that, I did also shave a little bit, as in like pluck. Not sure if you can notice that, but I basically just plucked a few things on here, a little bit here, just to try and unthicken, make this look less thick, because on Monday, it's Saturday now, on Monday we have photo day and I really do not want to shave. So I'm going to let you guys know in advance. Hopefully I don't have to shave it. Hopefully, please. Otherwise, if they make me shave and I'm forced to for a photo, I am going to look like a 15-year-old boy. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, other than that, I'm just super tired today. Had a call with my accountability partners, like kind of like a scrapped up little call. Yeah, I'm just gonna look at, these are just boxes, but inside of them are manuals for the equipment that I use. So as you guys know, I've shown my setup before. I have a keyboard, so it's this one. It's the Huntsman Mini from Razer. My microphone is the Razer Seiren X, so another Razer product. My webcam is the Razer Kiyo. I use a Philip light along with that just to kind of help out balance more light on my face and more on my body as well. My LED mat is from SteelSeries. It's a SteelSeries like XL gamepad, something like that. And my mouse is a rival, is also a SteelSeries product. It's a rival something, but the wired one that looks really cool and you can like fucking put magnets in it. That being said, one thing I don't talk about on this channel is that I used to game, and I used to game pretty heavily. It's more so, it was more so like light games really, because growing up I didn't really have the, like the crazy $2,000, $3,000 PC, whatever kids have nowadays. I just had my laptop, and usually most of the times I just used that to play, like, honestly, like Roblox, Fortnite, and I discovered Steam recently. I spent a bit of money on that, which I deeply regret, and I wish I could refund that back. But I was a different person then, and as soon as I started the channel, I really did make a few big changes. So it's, aside from it being, 12 months since I've started this channel, it's also been 12 months since I stopped games, like hardcore, like proper, gaming. And so yeah, with friends and that, they just don't really invite me to that stuff, but it's fine. I'm able to focus on the work that really matters. which is my career, and yeah, just working on my finances. So yeah, anyways, I just wanted to bring that up because I was a different person since then, and now it's come back to bite me in the ass. Like this keyboard right here, if you can see right there, it says purple clicky switches. That is probably one of the stupidest mistakes I've made during that era of my life. Spending over what $500 ish on my setup because I like it's really hard at night. Like I can get called by my parents, and it's just so fucking loud. So yeah, that's the only thing that I regret about my setup. But either way, pretty nice setup overall. And yeah, that's basically my short little history with games. So I'm definitely not a unfamiliar to it or a guy who's never played games. I definitely was that guy, um, but I just had to kind of get my priorities straight for 2024. So as you can see, there's a little base compartment here which I don't use. It's inside this box, and I've shown throughout my videos that I use a boom arm instead. But I've just been recently thinking like um, it doesn't take too much space. I could literally like put it under my desk because I've also raised it up as well so it can fit under there when I'm not using it. And I don't know, I also want to record it for YouTube because I know the camera mic, the phone mic isn't the best. So yeah, I was just thinking, I don't know, I could try it out. So how about we go ahead and test it out and see if it works. Yeah, but I don't know. I'll just have to read the manual for these two and then decide from there. Yeah, this will be a very light day today. Nothing too serious, as well as that with, I don't like to mention it too much, but I've been super busy. So the next 1 to 2, 3 weeks is just like full of assignment work that I just don't do. And I probably should do them. You know, at this point, just kind of like as a little comment between me and you, I really don't care. If I was given the choice to drop out the next second, I would do it in a flash. And that's not because I think school is useless, but I think just honestly, I've come to the conclusion that it has nothing to do with my career, and hence why I really don't care about doing the work or like getting amazing grades. And like, if you know it here, it's called ATAR. It's Australian tertiary admission rank. This is the thing that you would use to like go into university and whatnot. I've once made a change to try and make one of my subjects easier, but then have no ATAR, which I'm be honest, if most parents heard that, and my parents did hear that as well, that'd be devastating. Um, but that's literally the length that I've gone to. Luckily, it was, well, fortunately for them, it was revoked. So it is what it is. It was a small change, but you know, I just wanted it to be easier. But it's fine either way. Um, but yeah, it just has nothing to do with my career, and hence why I can say that so brashly. It's not a life-changing choice. You know, I've dedicated myself to online business and making my money through that way. So yeah, and I guess also as another little comment, like next year is definitely going to be some big changes for sure in my life. I might have to, you know, kind of letting you guys know ahead. I might have to change routine. I might have to start paying rent. That just happens with parents. Um, I might have to start getting a part-time job to sustain obviously the costs, but also kind of myself as I live in here, and you know I work on my business should also sustain that. But yeah, this is what it's August, so likewise that is 4, maybe 2 to 4 months away, maybe more, depends how much leeway I get. But yeah, as I said, with this channel, I'm open and I'm transparent, so that's what's going on in my life. Anyways, I'm rambling on. Let's go ahead and just read these manuals.
was pretty much all the money I had to work with. I didn't have any other money in my savings account. Maybe.
Mic test 1 2 3. Mic test 1 2 3. Alright, so it's almost 6, so I'm just gonna go and show you guys one more thing. I bought like these remedy shots, which I'll show you in a second. I'll go ahead and just try a shot. I honestly don't think it'll be very tasty. And then I'm gonna go ahead and have some dinner. Got some Subway. Mom just came home, so. Alright, so I've never tried any of these shots right here, so I'm very new to this. To be honest, I've never had any sort of like shots or like made like blended some like turmeric or like ginger, so I'm very new to this. So here we have a selection of shots right here. So it's obviously not alcohol shots, it's wellness and focus boost shots. So we got 2 from a brand called Remedy. So these are the Remedy shots right here, and we have one from another one called Juice Labs. So I'm thinking I think I'm gonna have digestion. So I'm gonna try digestion, remedy shot with prebiotics, ginger. So it says a tangy but tasty apple cider vinegar, shot blended with fiery ginger, real lemon juice, and a natural prebiotic punch. Shake and enjoy. 1 shot of ACV, whatever the fuck that means. So we're gonna try this one. So here we go. We got remedy digestion. With ginger, prebiotics, no sugar. I'm just gonna be drinking basically a shot every video because why not? I bought these on like Sunday, like last Sunday, and I've been honestly just saving it so then I can just record it with you guys. So yeah, let's go with the first shot. It's probably gonna taste like shit. Remedy digestion. Oh my god. Here we go. Oh. Oh, that was so bad. Okay, that was remedy digestion. Hopefully now I'll be able to digest the Subway down. So a couple cookies there and 2 footlongs. I'm going to have the chicken footlong sub for today. That was dinner. I watched a Q&A from Iman called Q&A, Am I Happy? And I also watched another video which I didn't mention again before, and that was Jordan Welch's new channel, which was about how him selling his company didn't actually help him fulfill him. And guys, if I cannot recommend that video enough, it gives a lot of context for what people want. If you're on the same journey as mine, and I'm guessing you are, then that video gives a lot of truth and a lot of context to what really the journey is like. And because we all like to think it's like, once you get there, it's like heaven on earth, and it's all this roses and fairy tales, and you got your nice car, you got a beautiful wife, this and that, and your life is just perfect. And I'm a kind of guy who's kind of realistic and very grounded in these things, and I realize it's not always what it's made out to be. And you should always have that perspective, especially when you're on social media and you see these people who are winning and enjoying their life, and it looks like amazing. They're in their Porsche 911 GTRS turbo, whatever fucking blah blah blah, and it, quite frankly, it doesn't mean anything. And yeah, so go check out that video, and go also check out that other video about am I happy. A lot of source on there about agency, mindset, life. Just a great video. So yeah, that's what I like about Subway. Clean, easy to eat, and yeah, no mess, no nothing. And have enjoyed some cookies on the side. So I have about 20-30 minutes ish, so I'm gonna go ahead and do some light work, and then hang out with my mom, and then we'll resume the work for the day. Alright, so didn't record at all for like the last 3-4 hours or so, but you didn't miss out on anything, because this day was boring. I didn't really get much done. I was just planning for tomorrow, because I have like 4 calls. If I want to do 4 calls back to back, a lot of work. I have to upload the next video, which shouldn't have already come out by the time you guys see this, of course. And what else? Monday I got photo day, so hopefully I don't have to remove this. But if I do, then tomorrow you guys will see, or the next video you guys will see a 15-year-old boy staring at you, trying to talk about business, which is great. But also my birthday is coming up as well. Funny thing, I have my birthday in next Thursday, so yeah, just I don't know, probably just gonna go to a restaurant, have some sushi, and yeah, have some dinner, get a small gift here and there, and then that'll be it. I don't really have big parties. I mean, you know how everyone is like, I have the big 18 and whatnot, but like, I don't know, my birthdays were just never really like that, so it is what it is. So yeah, it is 10:30 now, so I'm going to head and brush my teeth. I just had some kiwi, it's all gone now. And yeah, that's really it. So hope you guys have enjoyed. This is another boring day in my room, as always. I know I'm very stationary, and I don't like to move around my camera a lot. One of my partners pointed that out, so I'm going to start trying implementing that in my videos. But either way, not really doing anything. I'm just listening to Drake's Scary Hours free. And yeah, look, I also set up my, hopefully this is looking right. I set up my my mic, so it's no longer on the boom arm here. It's just on this. I think this is a great move. Feels very premium, and I don't know, it just makes me enjoy my work more. So without making this clip any longer, I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.